Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to paste to multiple cells in LibreOffice Calc. So for example, I will type here a simple number, for example 5, and here I will type the function. So I type here equal sign and I select this one cell. We have here A3 and I press enter. So here and here we have 5. I typed here formula because there is a simple difference between each situation. So first one, we will try the situation where we have a simple number here. So I click Ctrl C to copy it, and then I need to select area where I want to paste the number. For example, I will select this area, and now I go to edit and I click paste. How you see it have been successfully pasted here. But if we will copy the cell with formula and select cells where we want to paste it, we will go to edit and select here paste. You can see that we have here 2 zeros. So if you want to paste it correctly, we need to block the formula and cell. So we need to click double time here on the cell, and we need to type here a $sign before letter and before number. After that, I click enter, and now if I will copy this formula and I will select these cells and I will go to edit and paste, you can see that it has been correctly pasted to multiple cells. So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.